Hello, welcome back again to another tutorial using AutoCAD. Now we will try to we'll show you how to import or insert image in the AutoCAD using two different ways, and we will also discuss how or we'll also discuss how what is the difference between these two commands. So let's get started. So as you can see, we have an AutoCAD file here. Okay, this is a sample floor plan. We use to insert an image, use the command Xref, and we click the attach image, and we will find that image. For example, this one, and okay, we'll just insert this one here. This is not scaled already because it's only an image. So we have inserted this one using the command Xref. Okay, and also we can create a clipping boundary just by double clicking the image, and the menu at the top will appear. So now we have clipped the image, and also we can insert image using another command called insertobj. So there will be a pop-up window. All you need to do is to select Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So later on we will show you what is the difference between these two commands. So just close it and delete, insert this one, insert picture. We'll use the same picture. Okay, or what picture we will use? Okay, this one. So I think it's better if we will use the same picture, so it will be more clear what is the difference between the two commands. So I'm gonna get this same picture that we inserted using the Xref command, and okay, here we are. And also we can crop here to hide the excess part of the object that we don't need. So close this one, and automatically there it will be shown in the AutoCAD. So as you can see, there is no crop option when we click it or double click this one. There is a necessary white color at the sides. So but we can solve this problem. Okay, I will show you. So we'll just put a label or a leader. We'll put here that we use the command Xref here, and we use the other command in the other object. So we just edit the text. Okay, I think my laptop is gonna die. Okay, after 1 million years. So this one we use the Xref command. Okay, just put here Xref, and then we copy this one. We'll put insert object or insert obj like that. And okay, we'll make this a little bit bigger. Okay, this one we scale, and so that we can read it clear. And okay, this one also. Okay, so now we will show you what is the difference between these two commands. So this is the location file of the object. Okay. We'll close the AutoCAD application, and this is the source file. What we will do is we will cut this source file and we will paste in the other directory. So it is the same like you are inserting your file in the other computer if you don't have network communication or an Xref communication between your computers and the other computer, or you are sending this project or file to an email. So the thing that will happen is he will not have that same file in the receiver's computer. So we will show you what is the difference between these two commands when it comes to this situation. If the source file is missing or will be deleted, or the source file will be transferred to another file, to another location. So this is the thing that will happen. So we'll open again that file. As you can see, using the Xref command, the object is missing now. But meanwhile, in the insertobj command, the object is still there and it's not missing. So that's the difference between the two. And also, if you do, you can also solve this problem that it has this unnecessary background or unnecessary color, white color at the sides. You can just use the viewport on the layout tab. So see, that's the difference between the Xref and the insertobj command. But both ways, either it depends on the nature of your work. Okay, so thank you.